Hi, my name is Yolanda, and I was blessed to be able to find the Forex Academy for Beginners on Facebook. Initially, I had learned Forex the wrong way. So this was indeed a blessing for me to learn Forex the correct way. I've learned a lot, such things as fib retracement, support and resistance, and the various time frames. One thing that really kind of captured my heart concerning the academy as well as the instructor is that I had a problem trying to find support and resistance, and he actually took the time to make a video showing me the correct way to find it. So that was truly awesome. So I would recommend this to anybody that wants to get into trading Forex. You will definitely learn it the right way, and you'll be totally surprised at the results of going through the academy. Be blessed.